BOL Dialogues is a series, this is the first, so thank you for leading the experiment, is a series of dialogues, so not debates, they're dialogues to help find solutions, collaboratively find solutions, dialoguing with people who are our experts, academics, and practitioners. Today obviously was practitioners. The idea is to have, originally we thought we'd do 10 of these over the course of November. Now it looks like we'll do like 100 of these, because we have a list of questions we want to go through over the period of time. In this studio, we have a similar studio in Lahore, we have a similar studio in Islamabad, so we can do it just about, not anywhere, but in 3 major cities of Pakistan. Today, I don't have the answers to the questions Muneeb and Dr. Hood Boy and others asked, but we have some questions we want to engage you with. And I would love for some of the people in the audience to take part in panels, in fact, to be panelists. And as a proud Harvard alum, I'd like to see more Harvard alums be on panels. Today, we had 1 out of 3. Either we get these guys Harvard degrees, which is a good idea, or we get you guys on the panel. For example, there's some very thought-provoking questions here which merit debate. One, what is the next wave of sophistication that we need to bring into capital markets in a risk-managed way that we can create more vehicles for people to participate in the growth of Pakistan? Second, we have all these companies that generate profits, right? But why don't we have regional beaters? Why don't we have regional leaders? Every country that has locally competitive companies creates regional leaders, right? That's an anomaly. Third, what happened to hard technologies? What happened to hard sciences, right? In the 60s, Pakistan had engineering firms, had manufacturing, and then we just stopped doing that. So the opportunities in bioscience, for example, if we have people in bioscience, a super competitive area where there's fundamental competitive advantage developed through science, well, why aren't we? What is the reason why we're not doing that? How do we fix that? So these are just 3. We've got about, I guess now we have about 15 more questions. Today's question was, why invest in Pakistan? The idea wasn't to get to an answer, but to begin the discussion and have subsequent discussions that inform the discussion, the dialogue, and to create partnerships around it. So I just want to, on behalf of BOL, I want to thank you for taking part today. We will look out for more invitations. If it's okay with you guys, we'll keep you on the mailing list. Please come back online or come back in person. Many of you will be called by Shahzeb. Many of you will be called to be a panelist. And if some of you want to be a moderator, I'm sure Aruba could use the support. So thank you very much. Thank you for taking part today.
Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।